So in our today's assignment, the first question is how many kinds of electric charges are there? Okay, so here two kinds of electric charges are there. They are positive charge and negative charge, or like charge or unlike charge. We can also call it like that. Okay, like charge or unlike charge. And the next question is what can we say a bulb is fused? So what can we say a bulb is fused? The bulb which doesn't glow or said to be fused. The bulb which doesn't glow or said to be, the bulb is a fused. Okay, and the third question is name the parts of a bulb and define filament. So what are the parts of a bulb? So bulb consists of a glass chamber and a filament, terminals. Every electrical component has a two terminals. So in this also the bulb consists of a two terminals, and next a metal cap. So and the next question is what a filament? The part of a bulb that glows. So the part which takes a vital role to glow the bulb is called filament. The part of a bulb that glows is called filament. And the fourth question is explain about a cell. Explain about a cell. Here cell consists of a metal. Cell is made with a metal which is in the shape of a cylindrical shape. At one end it has a metal cap. So inside the cell we have a carbon rod. Okay, this we called as carbon rod. And surrounding to the carbon rod, here it consists of a carbon powder. Okay, carbon powder, and surrounding to the carbon powder, we have a chemical paste, a mixture of chemicals. So overall, the heaviness suggests that it is a mixture of chemicals. Okay, or paste. Okay, just like, okay, so this metal cap, this we called as a positive terminal. Here the metal cap called as a positive terminal. At the other end we will take the negative terminal. So each and every cell consists of a two terminals. One is positive and another one is negative. Okay, cell helps us to convert from chemical energy to the electrical energy in a torchlights. Okay, so and the fifth question is simple electric circuit. So here I am drawing that simple electric circuit picture. This we called as a switch. Okay, this we called as a switch, and here I am taking battery. The long length, long line we taken as positive terminal, and the short line we taken as a negative terminal. Okay, minus negative terminal. And at the same time other side I kept bulb. So this is bulb, this is a switch, and this is cell or battery. Cell or battery. So here the question is what is an electric circuit? Explained with the help of a diagram. So in this electric circuit is a path to flow electricity. Electricity is a path to flow electricity in an entire circuit. So if we connect this one, then from the cell whatever the charge is coming from the cell is moved towards and in the entire circuit the charge will move. The electricity, the current will pass through the entire circuit. Whereas if we open the circuit, but there is no electric pass of electricity, that's why the bulb doesn't glow. Okay, so by using this, a switch plays a main key role, vital role in this simple electric circuit. Okay. One are insulators and some other materials comes under conductors. Already we learned in the chapter. So if we take a conductor here, then if we connect a conductor in between point A and point B as a switch, then automatically in the circuit the current will pass and the bulb will glow. Or else if we take an insulator instead of that, insulator doesn't allow the conductor. So that's the reason if it maintains a closer path, even though the bulb doesn't glow. Okay, so there is no pass of electricity occurs here. Okay ma, thank you.